Perched above Interstate 5 in a large public parking garage, Seattle Freeway Park reclaims a once unusual urban space, contrasting the drone of automobile traffic with the sounds of flowing water. Designed by Halprin beginning in 1970, Seattle Freeway Park serves as a community gathering place, serving the Washington State Convention Center and the downtown district. He envisioned Seattle Freeway Park as a nature trail within the context of an urban environment. Halprin's park addresses the major conflict he identified as vital to the post-war city, the contrast of the car and green space. In order to combine the two conflicting elements, Halprin literally stacked the communal space above the freeway. Employing a mixture of sharp modernist forms, greenery, and fountains, Halprin hoped to evoke this sense of nature from his landscape. The spaces of the park are defined by large concrete blocks and voids, creating a series of small plazas that retain their coherence through the consistent use of concrete and fountains. Halprin's design also takes ecology into account. The trees and shrubs in Seattle Freeway Park were selected for their ability to reduce pollution and muffle the noise of interstate traffic. More subtly, the placement of plant species reflects their natural growth. Those species found in the lowland regions of Washington are planted in the lower portions of the park, while mountainous plants occur in the correspondingly higher regions of the park. While the Freeway Park is a modernist landscape architectural masterpiece, it has faced several constant controversies recently, most stemming from crimes committed in the park. Due to the park's twisting corridors, large foliage, and poor lighting, it has developed a reputation as a haven for drug dealers, muggers, underground boxers, and murderers. The park is noted for the prevalence of vagabonds, and citizens know well to stay clear of the park after daylight has passed. The twisting trails and walls and greenery that block out city noise also serve to cover muggers and drug addicts who frequent the park. The most prominent and serious instance of crimes in Seattle Freeway Park occurred in early 2008, when a murder of a young man was involved in an underground boxing ring. As a result of these crimes, city officials have made adjustments to the park's design, including reducing vegetation, increasing lighting at night, and restricting the use of the park's fountains. Seattle Freeway's future is in jeopardy. In addition to the high crime rate, changes in demand for the park's function and current construction projects threaten the original design intent for the park. Since its construction in the 1970s, the public's demand for the park have changed. They no longer desire a mere escape from urbanity, but rather a green space that is more interactive, including amenities such as a skating rink and a coffee shop. Furthermore, construction in the area threatens the original structure of the park.